How does quantification make money? How to deal? Investment. Quantification is a kind of investment. This type of investment is called capital investment, which means gaining income or capital appreciation in the foreseeable period in the future. In a certain period of time, it is an economic activity to invest a sufficient amount of funds in a certain field. The most common investments are fixed deposits in banks, where users deposit a sum of money in the bank and continue to enjoy benefits during this period of time. When buying a house, invest a sum of money to buy a house or storefront and continue to enjoy the benefits in the form of renting. The above-mentioned fund behaviors are two types of investment, also called income after sleep, passive income, et. Intelligent quantification is also an investment. Invest a sum of money with freedom of funds. Intelligent quantification allows you to continue to enjoy benefits through a variety of strategies. Intelligent quantification means that spot transactions will not be liquidated and there is no retracement. But spot transactions will be accompanied by floating losses. At present, there are basically two ways of trading in the currency circle. 1. Manual human trading. 2. Software automatic trading. Disadvantages of manual trading: affected by emotions, complicated calculations, superstitious indicators, limited time and energy. Unable to keep track of the market 24 hours a day, software trading can circumvent all the above-mentioned drawbacks. The principle of software transaction. Taking Bitcoin trading as an example. The following prices are example prices, and some parameters are also example parameters. When is the smart way to buy? How much each time you buy? How much does the price fall to pay for one order? How much profit is achieved to sell? Let's take a look at how manual trading and automatic trading are done in the trading process. Assuming that the initial principal is 20,000 yuan, manual trading, assuming that the Bitcoin price is 10 yuan apiece, a stud buys a full position and 20,000 yuan buys 2,000 Bitcoins. Intelligent quantitative automatic trading. Currently the price of Bitcoin is 10 yuan each. 240 Bitcoins are bought at a cost of 2,400 yuan. The price of Bitcoin continues to fall, falling to 7.5 yuan each, and the purchase is monitored. After the price is adjusted from 7.5 yuan to 8 yuan, buy 480 Bitcoins. If it continues to fall, do not buy until the current price pulls back by 0.5 yuan and buy. Assuming that 8 yuan is bought, the current order costs 3,840 yuan, and the price of Bitcoin continues to fall till the price drops to 5.5 yuan each. Start monitoring the purchase. After the price pulls back from 5.5 yuan to 6 yuan, buy 960 Bitcoins. If it continues to fall, it will not buy until the current price pulls back 0.5 yuan and then buy it. Assuming that 6 yuan is bought, it will cost 5,760 yuan. The price of Bitcoin continues to fall, and the price starts to monitor the purchase at each 3.5 yuan. After the price pulls back from 3.5 yuan to 4 yuan, buy 1920 Bitcoins. If it continues to fall, do not buy until the current price pulls back 0.5 yuan. Assuming that 4 yuan is bought, it will cost 7,680 yuan, a total of 19,680 yuan. So far, manual and trading stud users have lost 12,000 yuan, a total of 3,600 Bitcoins in the hands of automated trading users. Total spent 19,680 yuan. For example, the average price of Bitcoin is 5.4 yuan each. That is to say, when the price of Bitcoin rises to 5.4 yuan, automatic trading users will not make a profit or lose if they sell all of them. Manual buying users can only wait for the price to return to 10 yuan each, Bitcoin may be sold now, accept a loss of 12,000 yuan. How the automatic trading is sold. The price of Bitcoin starts to rise. Suppose we set the take profit to be 1 yuan, and it falls to 0.3 yuan to sell. When the price of Bitcoin rises from 4 to 5, the software starts to monitor the selling. If the price began to fall, and the decline reached 0.3 yuan, that is, it rose from 4 yuan to 5 yuan and then fell to 4.7 yuan. All 1720 Bitcoins in the tail order were sold, and the purchase made 0.7 yuan, and the total tail order earned 1344 yuan. If you continue to rise, don't sell until the price drops back by 0.3 yuan from the high point. The actual quantification includes multiple take-profit strategies, anti-waterfall mechanisms, smart allocations, high-frequency grids, and other execution strategies. The above are only theoretical and simple methods.